Inside this box, there is the secret of change. Change can be positive, can be powerful, can be enlightening, but it can be scary. People resist and they shut down. The reason is we are quite scared. We don't want to change. Only when you make an effort and you stretch out your comfort zone, you get into the movement. But only to realize that you are more scared than you think. But if you keep moving, then you get to this very soft spot when you open to learn. This is a great moment because if you go back, now you see things from a different perspective. And this is fascinating because now it becomes contagious. You start to bring people into your change. It becomes a collective thing. So when you look back into the very problems you had in the beginning, now you have the magic. So, like that, you are able now to bring new people from different backgrounds that make the group work even better. And this is fascinating because if you look at yourself, you are still squared, but now you are permeable and very open for learning. What do you think makes a team change? Did you ever think about adding some magic to your change program? Leave your comments below or send me a message. Contact Abracademy and let's discuss how we can bring magic to your business.